Confidence, force, determinations are virtues that I adore and live by. I describe myself as a person with great ambitions and no different from any other 21-year-old. Yet wanting makes a difference instead. I'm fighting for acceptance of my individuality from the society because I belong to third gender. And stereotypical people make life difficult for me. Kurumzari, this is Rohit Khumanthem, 21 years of age, and completed my graduation from Manipur University. Right now, I'm working as a community mobilizer at Maruploy Foundation. I love nature, spending time with my family, traveling, sensitizing people about HIV, LGBTQI, and analyzing social issues. Lastly, I would like to thank the organizing committee Sana-ebemma for organizing such prestigious events for we transgenders to showcase our talents and our femininity. Let's stop transphobia. Love brings peace and happiness. Thank you. Thagachari.